Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, we're just gonna get out of the car and just kind of walk around and see the campus. I really like seeing university campuses, but this one says do not enter. Danger. What the heck? Is the campus closed? I don't understand. Yeah, I just don't know. Looks like that's the parking lot I should be parked at. Huh. Well, this is kind of a... Okay, there's classes. They start August 26th, so it must be... I guess it's the holidays right now. Okay. Oh, this is Herman's Bakery, I think. I think I drove by this. I don't know. Maybe I'll just turn off the camera. But this is kind of it anyways. Must be the college for sure. Okay, so basically this is kind of the administrative office. I just walk through here. There's some people doing some construction right over here. Languages and Humanities Department, English Language Institute. Huh. That's kind of interesting right there too. Wonder if it's open. It's me. It's interesting. Yeah, the campus is quite small. Actually, let me just see. I'm just gonna see if that's open or not. Yeah, it's actually kind of cool, just like that view right there. Anyways, I'm gonna I kind of basically I just walked through it. It's really short. It looks like this is not open. Got a little gate all the way around. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna walk back through the middle of it. There's all the I heard an advertisement just a little while ago. Is this the library? But the advertisement was like, oh, are you tired of having to go leave the islands to get an education or something like that? And basically it was like kind of saying like, now we finally have a 2-year university in Saipan, so you can go to school here now for 2 years and then transfer somewhere else afterwards. So I was thinking this must be relatively new. So yeah, pretty interesting. Looks like it's closed. Let's just take a look at the map. So here's the map. Oh, the whole middle part is under construction. Okay, that's right. And I think I parked over here, so I can't get into any of that over there. I guess these are buildings. That's the end building. Oh, end is right there. Okay. Yeah. Pretty interesting. Okay, well, let's just go back here. So, nice little center for people to sit around. Yeah, I guess it's a 2-year community college, so it must be a community college, so people, yeah, no one would live here, I guess. So the island is so small, it's only like 30,000 people, so how many of those would be 18 to 22-year-old people who are, you know, probably not many, so interesting though. So that's basically the community college here. A lot of stuff is boarded up here. See my little, I don't know what that sign is called. Okay, there you go. I don't know if you can see those, but there's like two major, it's like Navy ships that are out in the ocean. I saw them when I came in this morning too, so I don't know, maybe they're always there. Maybe they, I don't know. Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da